measures should the government take to alleviate poverty in the society? Paying fair salaries to the workers, when they give in the government, let's say you are employed in the government, you should be paid equal and fair salaries. By not overtaxing people, they should decrease the money that they are taxing people. Giving soft loans on its citizens to start businesses. Then the government should give loans to the people that don't have work so that they can start their business, small businesses. Encourage foreign investors to come to our country. When they can, let's say, people come from outside to educate the people who don't, let's say they have not a quality life for education or life to start a business, they can be, yes. Ensure equitable distribution of wealth. Now here the government, let's say the money they give out, they should distribute it equally. Provide cheap and decent housing. They should not, to the people who are poor, let's say they don't have money, they should not be overcharged in their houses, so that they can even to pay the rent. Encourage and promote Juakali artisans. Now here it is when the government give the materials to the people of Juakali to make their, let's say their like pots, boxes, so that they can sell and get their income. Develop infrastructures. Promote good governance. Offering free education.
Clap for him.